Hello and welcome to Train Signal. You're watching the course scenario for vSphere 5 video training. Throughout this vSphere 5 video training course, you'll see the Wired Brain Coffee Company in use across multiple lessons. So I wanted to take a moment to answer the question, who is the Wired Brain Coffee Company? Because Train Signal uses scenario-based training, we came up with the Wired Brain Coffee Company that may or may not be based on a national coffee chain. The Wired Brain Coffee Company is useful when we talk about how to apply technology in the real world. Those scenarios that we come up with help you to remember whatever vSphere advanced feature or configuration we're trying to help you learn. And by remembering, that means that you'll retain what you learn so that you can use it later. The Wired Brain Coffee Company in most lessons has multiple data centers, and they use vSphere for server consolidation. Those multiple data centers are usually managed by one vCenter server, although that may not always be the case. I think most of the time you'll find that the Wired Brain Coffee Company has a simple virtual infrastructure that most everyone can relate to. When you set up your own virtualization lab, feel free to use the Wired Brain Coffee Company or come up with your own scenario. Thanks for watching this course scenario lesson for our vSphere 5 video training.